Okay, today we're going to look at something working with parabolas and functions, and we're going to look at questions that involve the intercept form. Okay, the intercept form of a parabola. Let's just take a look. If you had a question like this and you were just asked to sketch it, sketch this. This is a parabola. I can see x plus 4 times x minus 2. If I multiplied it out, it would be x squared plus 2x minus 8. This is standard form. But when it's given in this intercept form, if you let y equal 0, you're looking at the answers for the x-intercepts. Minus 4 plus 4 would make y equal 0. So you've got minus 4 there. And the other one is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So you've got your two x-intercepts there. Also, if you let x equal 0, you can see that y is going to equal minus 8. 0 and 0, 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Hey, you've almost got the whole thing here. You've got the x-intercepts, you've got the y-intercept. But how did I get this axis of symmetry? Well, it's easy. By symmetry, the axis of symmetry is in the middle of the x-intercepts. And all you have to do is go minus 4 plus 2 and divide by 2. Find the average, find the middle. The middle of 2 and minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, divided by 2 is minus 1. And x equals minus 1 is the axis of symmetry. Now, once you've got the minus 1, all you have to do is take minus 1 and put it in for x. And you'll get minus 9. Minus 1 plus 4 times minus 1 minus 2, it equals minus 9. Look, we got the turning point, the y-intercept, and the x-intercepts. It's a similar thing with if you had a minus here, except instead of a happy parabola, you've got yourself a sad parabola. Well, you know right away, looking if it's in this intercept form, you've got the x-intercept, the two x-intercepts, you're looking at them. Positive 8 minus 8 would make this 0. And minus 6 plus 6 would make it 0. So 8 and minus 6 are the x-intercepts. And the y-intercept, if I let x equal 0, I'm looking at it here. Negative 8 times positive 6 is negative 48, but then I make the negative of that. That's positive 48. So it's way up here at 0 and 48. Okay. I've got a computer that's graphed this nicely. You'll never have to graph an ugly thing like this probably in an exam, but this is kind of the shape, and it would go way up here through 48. Now, how did I get this axis of symmetry? Well, just like the last question, I went minus 6 plus 8. I added them together and divided by 2, and I got 1. Minus 6 plus 8 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. I found the average of 8 and minus 6, the middle of 8 and minus 6, and that gave me the axis of symmetry. And if I take 1 and I put it back in for x into this equation here, I'm going to get positive 49. Minus 1 minus 9, 8. Ooh, what do we get? Oh, sorry, 1. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 times 7, that's 49, negative 49. And two negatives, the negative of negative 49 is positive 49. That's why the turning point right there is 1 and 49. You know, you could multiply it out and put it in the form of negative x squared plus 2x plus 48 and go negative b, negative 2 over 2 times negative 1, and you'd get x equals 1. You'd get the same axis of symmetry. It's another way to get the axis of symmetry. So that's how you sketch parabolas in intercept form. Okay. And again, I hope this helps.